introducing my guest for the first time on the Woman to Woman Talk Show. Yours truly, Mama Sam.
Mhm.
She is a life coach, a Reiki healer, a reader, and she's also the woman who balances many acts. So, welcome, Mama Sam.
Thank you.
Nice having you.
Thank you. Let's get down to business.
So, I am here today to get a little bit inquisitive, all up in your business because you have just launched a new business.
Mhm.
It's Metaphysical and Manifestation University, and it's a wonderful thing. And I just want you to elaborate a bit about that for me.
Well, it's called the Guiding Light Metaphysics Manifestation Group. It's under the abbreviation of TGL, Metaphysical Manifestation Group on Facebook. Everybody, please join. And what we do, we teach everybody the art of how to manifest things that will serve your life well. So please join now.
So, guys, if you want to get to know Mama Sam much better and know some of her secrets today, please join. Just join now because this is a once in a lifetime thing. Believe me, guys. So
Right?
I'm kind of intrigued about how did you get started and at what age did you realize that you were spiritually gifted?
I realized I was spiritually gifted at the age of 13.
Wow, the magic number 13, guys. You hear that?
13,
One of
13 is a powerful number. People say, superstitious people say it's a bad luck number. No, it's not a bad luck number. It's a good number. Christ had 13 disciples when you include Mary Magdalene. Yeah, yeah, because a woman have to be in a mix besides the disciples. Yeah, yeah.
yeah. So at 13 years old, you realized that you were spiritually gifted. And that must be kind of hard to you. Who was the one who had helped to prepare you through your spiritual journey at the age of 13?
My mother, my late mother, God rest her soul. Um, she noticed the spiritual gift in me, to be quite from the age of 7 with he, but I did not launch into my spiritual gift until the age of 13, to be quite honest.
Okay, so at 13, your mom, at 7, she realized at 13, you start to embrace your spiritual gift. So we know that your mom had passed and all. What are some of the things that your mom had passed down to you?
She passed down quite a bit once she saw that I had the gift. Healing, emotionally, mentally, also physically. She taught me my Bible, which is the biggest tool that I use, especially the book of Psalms. The book of Psalms is extremely powerful. It has a cure for every situation in your life, the book of Psalms. She taught me how to pray. She taught me how to manifest. And she taught me how to embrace and appreciate my gifts, which I was scared to because I was raised in the church, the Pentecostal church, which is against what I am doing now, because that's more on the religious side. I've passed the religious
Yeah.
side. I'm on the spiritual side where I have a divine connection with God Almighty and the universe, and I am walking in my purpose, and rightly so, and I do not apologize to no other religion because I'm not religious. I am spiritual and greatly to be spiritual. So anybody that doesn't want to connect or embrace or respect my spiritual side can kiss Mama Sam's ass.
Yes, because some people they misunderstand being spiritual and being religious.
Yeah, they get it
How did
confused. They
you
construe the
how did
truth.
you differentiate and get to balance both of them in your life?
Religious was handed down to us from slavery to control our mind, to brainwash our mind, but spiritually is a divine connection with the universe and God the creator, where you have a one-to-one, where the universe, if you open up your third eye, will teach you so much.
You know, some people, like, I realized how gifted I was
Mm-hmm.
spiritually. And when you introduce people to um, metaphysical school and stuff like that, and you say, oh, it's the art of manifestation and metaphysics, and they'll say, oh, it's witchcraft. And I was like, oh, what are they talking? Do you think they misunderstand the difference between
Most
religion and
uh,
spirituality?
you can't get angry with them. You can only sympathize because they were taught from an earlier age to get doctrinated into religion. And that's a part of the makeup and who they are. So I don't get angry. I respect them, but don't impose your doctrination to me.
Yeah, yeah. I'll just tell them I know my purpose. I embrace my
Because
spiritual side.
manifestation and metaphysics is all about the law of attraction and working with the universe, working with spiritual herbs, working with the power of your mind and your intention, and also the angels, also God, because we don't leave God out of it. So you can live a better, more successful life that is not mandated or operated or controlled by religion. Yeah.
Yeah, so that really clears up a lot because some people feel like if you're not a Christian and you're not saying I am a Christian and I'm a part of a church, then you're straight up a sinner. You're doing something that is so wrong. So I'm glad how you have put that because a lot of people out there, as you said, they're indoctrinated. So let's see. So
Yeah.
my next
I,
question
I
to you is,
feel at this point people are searching for more than religion. They are searching for more than religion. And this is what the Guiding Light Metaphysic Manifestation group on Facebook is all about. We bring out the spiritual side of you. It's not a doctrine, it's just basically being yourself and teaching you the arts and the wisdom and the knowledge to manifest great things. Christ was the greatest teacher of metaphysics and manifestation. And I don't apologize for saying that because he was. He healed the blind, he made the lame to walk. He done so many things in teaching us, but over the centuries it's been misconstrued and has been turned into religion. I'm not turning anything to religion. It's been spiritual and embracing that, which I used to be scared of because I didn't want to get criticized or ridiculed for getting involved with this type of spirituality. But now I have grown, I have blossomed, my third eye is awoke, and I'm grateful. And I will not, under no circumstances, let's get this clear, is suppress who I am and what I believe and what I know works for me.
yeah, because what I was most amazed by and it took me back about my spirituality is when I was in the class and I was learning and we start learning about the 12 tribe. And you know the Rastas believe in the tribes
Yeah,
and the drum, and I think that more connects us back as Black people to Africa, because I think a part of that is who we are, and we had lost that as Black people. We don't know about our tribes. We don't know about our tongues, our native tongues. We don't know about the healing of herbs and the sun and the moon, and
this,
we don't know that.
yeah,
We don't know because we weren't taught about our spirituality that was from Africa. We were taught another thing. So when I was learning about the tribes, I was really blown aback
yeah.
by that.
Yeah, I live by that too. Right now, we're in the month, the zodiac of Leo, which is actually the tribe of Issachar. And Issachar carry enough burdens. They're also a tribe that works a lot with their hands. Their color is yellow,
And
as
yeah,
you can see, and represent
yeah,
Issachar this month.
yeah.
And it connects with who you are. I'm from the tribe of Simeon, which is May. My color is gold. I function the ears, so I'm a very good listener. Yeah, you function the tribe of Reuben.
Yeah.
He was born on the cursor of March, but
Aries first.
Reuben. So your physical part, you function the eyes. So you see everything and you see it with glass.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a good thing. I like it. It's very interesting, very intriguing. And I bring those concepts to the guiding light and I teach people a lot because people are looking for more than what they're getting from religion.
Yeah. So I know this might take you and you might get a little sad because your mom has just passed. But
Mm.
how do you feel, or how do you feel that now your mom has passed? How has her teaching over the years has helped you to become the woman you are today?
Well, my mom was not an easy person. She was very strong. She was very blunt. And she strived for perfection. And she was a spiritual woman, especially, I was saying, the last 2 years. I noticed that she left religion and became
Yeah.
spiritual. And that is what helped me to embrace spirituality and move forward with my divine calling and purpose. Because of what I saw with my mom, I actually saw her transformation. And what was beautiful, she also saw my transformation before she passed and is now an ancestor. And she's happy. I know she is.
So you think during that time of her leaving Christianity and saying embracing her spirituality more, she was preparing you for what to come?
Exactly. She actually pushed me because she said, Sam, I remember from the age of 19, you read my cards and everything you said came to pass. And she actually had me read her a couple months ago. And she pushed me into spirituality even more. She pushed me and provoked me to become the manifestation high priestess that I am today. And I'm grateful. She elevated me. She motivated me, especially, I have plenty of signature spiritual products, especially the body wash. The body wash is doing it. The body wash is doing it. The body wash. The body wash is doing it. Yeah, that I make with holistic herbs and spices and stuff like that. That is actually a manifestation body wash. I have a body wash for everything. Yeah, I have a whole line of products. I don't even know where to begin. Also, the manifestation law of attraction candle work, and some people call them spells. call them whatever you want to call them. All I know, it works. And, you know, you can, if you join my group, you can check our files. You'll see a lot of testimonies each and every day. So I'm truly grateful that I'm walking finally at the age of 56 in my purpose.
So you can say she had prepared you well.
Very well.
So my next question is, how was your transformation stage been so far that she has passed and now
It's
you
actually going
are in front of
well
me?
at the moment. A couple months ago, I still was wrestling, but from January of this year, I felt a shift, and it's like I just got deeper and deeper. And then when my mother passed May 1st, that was it. It's like her spirit connected with mine totally. And then when I released Ashes a few days ago, that was it. There's no going back. It's just moving forward.
That was one of the most difficult time for me, knowing that Grandma Lucy had passed and you guys were so close. I was a bit worried. I must say I was a bit worried, but as I got the call and you had said to me that um, this is it. We I'm ready. And I was doing my candle work and I was woken up and I was going with the spirit and they said take two clear bowls, go outside in the rain. It was raining and catch your water and go ahead and do your candle work. I was just moving by the spirit and when I was praying, it was like I felt this release. And like something say, you guys are gonna be okay. It's not gonna be hard. It's not gonna be difficult. You're just gonna be okay. So after that, I had seen the changes in you. I know at times you may be down, but I know you had took one thing that I've said to you. Don't mourn, but just remember everything that she had taught you and just hug and kiss and make a lot of memories to keep you. And I've seen where you guys had come together and it was not a grieving process at that time.
Yeah.
It was like
A
celebrating
celebration.
a
Yeah.
celebration.
We had the family down a few days before she passed, and she had all her grandchildren, her sisters, and family around her that loved her. And I wouldn't leave her in the hospital to die. I brought her home. I wanted her to die right here because I know that's what she wanted, to die in her own space with family around her. And we gave her her wishes, and we just loved on her. And a transition uh, when she was passing, because we was there until she took her last breath. She died May 1st, 8 o'clock at night in the evening. It was a Sunday, and she went so peacefully. And she looked so beautiful because her grandchildren bathed her, put her makeup on.
Yeah, and Rachel, I did her makeup and she was just glowing.
She was glowing. She went out in style, baby. You understand? And that's my mom. And I'm grateful for the time that I had with her and what she taught me. And she taught me to be strong and don't quit, and be grateful, loving, giving, and just surrender to the universe. And that's what I done before my mother passed. I surrender. I surrendered everything, every worry, every trouble, everything to God. And I'm in a good place. I'm very happy. I feel a burst of energy. I solely looked after my mom for 19 years. And I'm glad, even though it became so hard because she got sicker and sicker, I didn't give up on her, and I never turned my back on my mom, not once. And I finished the assignment. And it made me strong that I'm able to empower others and just bring out the best in everybody that I can, including myself. So I'm just grateful, and I'm very happy right now.
I can see her glowing, so I can say Mama Lucy has actually blessed you. She has actually gifted you. But what I want to know is, now that you're operating your metaphysics and manifestation university, tell me a bit about it, and also the relationship you have developed with your clients and also the other people that's in the group,
Yeah.
that's a part of your team.
Well, for people who's interested in metaphysics and manifestation, law of attraction, good energy, high vibration, and you want to make a difference in your life because things are not going the way they're supposed to, and you're wondering why, I want you to give it a try like I did. I promise you, I'm a walking, living, breathing testimony. Please go over to the Guiding Light Metaphysic Manifestation. It's abbreviated TGL, Metaphysical Manifestation Group. I know it's a mouthful, but let me tell you, I have to let people identify with who we are. Now, we have several services, starting with the spiritual reading. We do tarot reading, oracle reading, ancestor reading, crystal ball reading, you name it. Every kind of reading you can imagine, even ones that you've never heard about, we do it there. Also, we do angel Reiki healing sessions that helps you with any post-traumatic stress disorder that you might have experienced, or any trauma, or you just want to feel a rebirth. I do that with you. Everything's done on Facebook Messenger, easy. Yeah, I also do spiritual mentoring, life coaching. And come when we reach 5K, or between January and March next year,
Yeah.
I have a team of women such as Mishka right here, Crystal, Nia, Real Steel, Nikki, Ashley, Tamika. There's so many of us that will be coming on board as readers because I'm training them out. This is where the school comes in. I am proud to say we just finished our first semester. We have graduates that has attended my metaphysical manifestation group, and a lot of them made honor roll. I'm very excited about that. Well, we teach you the art so you can help yourself. Starting on the 23rd of this month, I'm starting the tarot card school to teach
Yeah.
my moderators how to read, how to dissect the cards, what's the meaning of all these different decks, because you know I have a massive library of over 50 decks. So I've been reading from the age of 19. I'm 56, so figure that out. Yeah, and we have a lot of products. The body wash, okay, which is a signature. As I said before, we have the spiritual mud mask, we have the spiritual cream, we have the spiritual foam, we have the spiritual facial mist, we have the spiritual rose petal body scrub, which I might say I used it, and it is absolutely marvelous. We have so many things, and as I said, I'm big into manifestation, candle work to bring things into your life. So you need to try that. And the manifestation candle work. Let me explain the difference between a spell and the manifestation candle work. Now, the manifestation candle work and a video, a law of attraction videos attached to the work that I do for you with affirmations, and you keep it in your phone for life. And you can always reflect back on it when you need it. Now, the spell is to take away curses, acts, evil eye, anything that has come against you that is negative, or if you have a block, then those is what people call spells. And spells are not bad things. Let me explain spells. Words are spells. That's what they didn't teach you, because the words that proceeded out of your mouth are spells.
Yeah.
It sends a frequency into the universe, and once the universe get attached of it, that's what come back to you. You understand what I mean? Yeah. So I'm just letting you know. That's just a little lesson there, so you know. I
Some
to
people,
look at things differently. Metaphysics is the way
yeah,
to go.
some people don't really understand when you talk about that, because I was blown away. If it wasn't for your reading, I don't think that, if it wasn't for your reading a couple from last year, I wouldn't be probably glowing right now.
Right.
But it was that reading, and then I got my products, and trust me, the body wash, it just calms, it relaxes you, and it just gives you a sense of relief. And people, if you can take it from me, because I've been struggling with my spirituality, and over time, saying my affirmation and
Right.
all of it, I've seen the difference, and I become watchful, and I start to think about the things that I'm saying,
Exactly.
think about the things that I'm putting out there in the universe, about what I'm saying to my kids, about what I'm saying to other people, because I now know how powerful that
How to
is.
use your words, and it's called what? Word magic.
Word magic. But for me, I just see a lot of difference in my life. Even though at times the challenges may come, but as long as you do your daily ritual, your manifestation, your prayers, and also, guys, I must say, if you're feeling down and frustrated and confused, a session with Mama Sam can just put you back in place, because the card readings, guys, for me, it works. And we have a whole client list and also testimonies from other clients, guys, that you can check out and see that it's actually working.
Right. And
And if you
yeah,
want
I
to
like it as
join,
well is that I have clients all over the world: Jamaica, Africa, Australia, the UK, America, all over the world. And it's wonderful that I'm able to serve my clients. My relationship with my clients are very personal. They know they can Facebook Messenger me anytime. It doesn't matter what time it is. If I don't respond straight away, that means I'm in la la land sleeping. But once I am awake and I'm an early riser and I go to bed late, because of work, and I love to give my clients the best, and they can also contact me for a consultation if they're not sure which direction to go. Then I will enlighten them, give them my recommendation, and they respect me, and I respect my clients with the most respect and love, and confidentiality is a key as well. So, and I'm very fast in delivering off my work to them. Sometimes I have to go into fasting for some of my clients. That means going without food for 24 hours, just going into prayer and manifestation mode and battle mode and everything, because I take care of my clients. You mess with my clients, you got a problem with Mama Sam.
so Mama Sam, as most people do not know, just tell us about the services that you're offering now, and how they can actually contact you, and all the social media platform, or how they can
Well, right
directly
now
get.
we're relatively new from January, so please, you can go on TikTok under I Am the Guiding Light. Please follow me. We're trying to build that up. We're going to build up our YouTube soon. And of course, I'm on Facebook as well. We're also on Instagram. You can check us out there. Yes. So we're actually building right now and we're becoming stronger. Right now, we have 2.2K members that
Yeah.
help and assist. So you can Facebook Messenger me at Samantha Laban, Lobban. If you need a private reading, I am available. Yes. Or if you need any products, I can explain the products. But do join our manifestations page. Then you will see, once you're in the group, you will see everything. Yeah. And sometimes I do free readings as well. I do a lot of lives in my group. We have a blast. We have a good time. Yes.
And one of the reading guides that most women would really enjoy is the sex magic. I've not seen you done that one in a while,
I haven't done it
but
in a while, but best believe it's coming. I feel it coming. Text magic reading. It's awesome because I get in your business, your bedroom business, and I'm going to tell you all what to improve if there's a need to
yeah.
improve and what's really going on. So they love the sex magic because you girls are nasty. You know that. And
Well, guys, here you got it. You have got everything you need to know about Mama Sam and also our university. So if you are a part of Metaphysical Manifestation group and you are still having doubts, or you watch this live and you want to know more about it, please hit up Mama Sam. Just go in the group and message us and we will get back to you. Mama Sam, do you have anything to say? We're closing off now.
Yeah, I just love everybody, appreciate everybody, and I wish everybody the best. And never quit, never give up. Try metaphysics and manifestation, which is all combined with law of attraction, and I guarantee your life will never be the same. Hope to hear from you soon.
Thank you guys,
Love
and
you
thank
guys for watching, and
you.
don't be a stranger. Love you, Mishka. Thank you so much. God, no.